Once your appliance is installed, review the control panel to familiarize yourself with the controls. From left to right, you have your power button, temperature controls, timer indicator and Wi-Fi indicator, display screen, operation mode indicator, operation mode control, and fan speed control. When you power on your appliance, it will turn on with the last settings used. You can cycle through your modes, which include energy saving. This mode increases the temperature to the optimal level for minimizing your power consumption. Cool mode, ideal for hot days. Dry mode, best for rainy and damp days to dehumidify the room. And fan mode, which circulates the air without the cooling. Pressing the fan speed button will cycle through the different fan speeds, low, high, and auto. Additional settings can be accessed from the control panel. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to enable the Wi-Fi, which will allow you to connect to the LG ThinQ app. If you wish to turn off the LED lights, press and hold the down arrow on the temperature control for 3 seconds. If you press a button on the display, the light will illuminate for 5 seconds and then turn off. You can also turn off the sound of the control panel. Press and hold the up arrow for 3 seconds. You will see an OF notification before the display turns off. Repeat this process to turn the display or sound back on. This air conditioner will notify you when the filter needs cleaning by displaying a CF notification in the display. Once clean, you can reset the notification by pressing and holding the mode button for 3 seconds. To set the child lock, press and hold the fan speed button for 3 seconds. To turn off the child lock, repeat the process.